So I'll cover the learning curve. It's a bit advanced concept, but it's mandatory. Basically, sometimes what happens is you'll start running your ads today. Maybe cost will come higher, or maybe you might not get results. Don't panic. Allow it to run for 3-4 days. What Facebook suggests is you should get at least 50 conversions. Either 50 image, for example, if you're creating lead ads, you should get 50 registrations. If you are creating conversion ads, you should get 50 sales. If you're creating brand awareness ad, you should get 50 video views, right? So that 50 is the number. So once you get 50 results, then Facebook will keep on optimizing it so that your cost will improve more and more. Nothing to worry for starting. For starting, leave it. But the point which I wanted to make here is at least allow 2-3 days. If in one day it's not getting results, don't worry. Allow 2-3 days. Then see how it goes and how it doesn't. And for budgeting thing, so for budgeting, feel free to start with 300-400 rupees per day. You can even go for less or more, depends on you, totally depends on you. But our aim is we want to get 50 sales within a week, 50 by 7. So we want 7 inquiries or leads per day. That's the best thing for Facebook, at least 7. So for example, if you are getting one lead at cost of 30 rupees, so put, like, you won't know at start. For start, you will start with 300 rupees. And let's say if you are getting leads at 30 rupees, the average cost, then you will, if you have budget of 300 rupees already, that is fine because we need 210 rupees. But let's say if you are getting leads at 40 rupees daily and you want 7 leads, still it's fine. Basically, what adjust the budget in such a way that you get around 7 conversions daily.